Wonderful opportunity to own over 2,000 square feet in Jacksonville. This 2022 Palm Harbor home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living areas, open floor plan, large pantry, and laundry room. The finishes consist of the new grays with white cabinetry, vinyl plank flooring, and a wood-burning stove. The interior offers great storage, big windows, and flex space. Outside is a 12 by 14 workshop with water and electricity, chicken coop, a 90% finished guest home, large deck for outdoor living, and a storage container. All on 1 acre. Come see. Come buy.